So after many, many complaints of how rough I'm living, as per the walls in my house, as per the kitchen that I fitted, the bike will be going, she will be going to a new home very, very soon. Whoosh. So I'm just going to use this opportunity to brag. You know, I think I earned the right to brag because people were trying to get on to me in the comment section about, oh, keeping the bike in the house, that's mash up and bruck up. And that, like, I mean, this house is under construction as well, but it don't look as mash up and bruck up. See, there's people out here, I think there was a couple people trying to say man's living in a council house and that. Okay, cool. What's the chances of me having 2 council houses that are 3-bed houses that I can fit motorbikes in? Yeah? I remember when I first bought this property. So this is property number 6. So I've got 3 houses and 3 flats. This is property number 6, which is next door to property number 1, which is my first property, obviously, which is a 3-bed house. Someone was trying to say, oh, this ain't really your property. This is some old person's property because look at the decor and that. Well, I mean, then you put 2 and 2 together and think maybe I just bought it off an older person, which I did. So, yeah, what's the chances of me, having 2 council houses